Let me show you how to create an AI playlist on Spotify. Open the Spotify app on your phone. To find the AI generator option, tap on your library in the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and you'll see the new AI playlist feature. Tap on AI playlist. In here, you'll see Spotify will show you some idea prompts for an AI generated playlist. And when you're ready to create the playlist, tap on the search bar where it says Tell me your ideas. Here you can see I just asked it a few random prompts to see what it would come up with by hitting the arrow button after the prompt. This is where Spotify works its magic AI generated playlists. Guess what type of music you are looking for. If some of the songs weren't doing it for you, then you have the option of refining the playlist by typing in a few more prompts. When you're happy with the playlist that the AI feature has supplied, then tap on the create icon in the top right of the screen, and this will create your first AI generated playlist on Spotify.